Remove the conflict between your desires and your duties. Peace will come. Death is the protector of life, and life is the process of death. He who has no light in his heart, what will he gain from the festival of lamps? In reality, every reality is a veil over reality. Do not destroy anybody's peace. You will find peace. When the child is ill, the mother will know how to pray. As long as man was in the moonlight, he desired to reach the moon. There was bliss in the moonlight, but moon itself was distant. Moon was near, but man longed for the moon. Man reached the moon, but there he was without moonlight. If one reaches the moon, one does not find moonlight any longer. And if one is in moonlight, one does not find the moon. It is a strange fact that one is only because of the other. One is the sign of other, yet both are forever separate. If the beloved is the moon, moonlight is his remembrance. When the beloved is present, his remembrance is not. And when his remembrance is present, the beloved is not. Proximity to one is distance from the other. Union with one is separation from the other. Thus union is hidden in every separation and separation in every union. The ocean sleeps, the ocean wakes, and the waking of the ocean is the waking of the soul. At midnight, wakefulness springs from within the ocean. Life is not only Newton, it is also Milton. One who has no beloved in the country can never love the country. The period before dawn of the knowledge is called the age of darkness. The choice of a purpose is more important than success. This life is but a dream, a state of sleep. But how unfortunate that man's eyes open only when they are about to be closed. There are persons who rise through grief, and there are persons who fall because of grief. When the eye becomes the heart becomes the eye. Sleep is a mirror of life in which can be seen the reflection of death. A man is happy who is happy with his allotted portion. In order to spend out our time, we sell some of this time. We work for someone, we labor. In freedom we do slavery.